Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely great. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add the sessions breaks in TradingView in 2026. Now, if you are interested in purchasing TradingView subscription, make sure you check out the link of the Black Friday deal in the description. In this particular deal, you will get up to 80% off plus 1 month absolutely free. As you can see, it has given you all of the subscription plans over here, and you can choose any of these plans and avail this offer right now. Now, in order to add session breaks in TradingView, you first of all come here on tradingview.com, then log in into your account here with the help of your login credentials if you haven't already. Over here, when you click on the option of products, the chart is going to be opened in front of you. Over here, in order to add the session breaks, what you can do is you can just simply right click on the chart, then go to the settings. Over here in the settings, you just have to go to the trading or the symbol, and here you need to look for the option of the session breaks. Now, if you are able to find the option here, you just have to simply turn that toggle button on, and the session breaks will be come over here on your chart. But as you can see, I have opened the Bitcoin chart and the session breaks open option is not available here. So if that's the case with you as well, what you can do is you can simply click on the option of indicators here on the top. Then you can look for this particular indicator, which is called sessions from Lux Algo. When you click on it, it will be applicable here on your chart. So irrespective of whichever chart you are using, the session breaks will be available here. So as you can see, we have Monday, Tuesday, Sunday. So here you can use the filter and make changes into the settings of this indicator. So this way you will be able to add session breaks in TradingView in 2026. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.